So, welcome to this discussion, that is ortho elimination, fragmentation, or one for elimination. It is only limited to ortho substituted compounds, that is the aromatic compounds. Okay, in ortho position, what I have of aromatic skeleton, it is shown here. You can see this. If appropriate groups are should be there. Okay, so it means generally we can have here OH, methyl, CH2OH, like that, many groups. Okay, so ortho substitution. Okay, so when you perform their mass analysis, so they undergo into 1,4 elimination reaction. They undergo into 1,4 elimination reaction. Okay, so what happened? What is the meaning of 1,4? First of all, how to label 1,4 elimination? So this is the first. This is second. This is third, and this is fourth. Okay, this is fourth. This X and Y. So if you are unable to give numbering, just give number 2 and 3 to benzene ring, and then you just give number 2 and 3 to benzene carbon, and then one number to just that atom which is directly attached to this carbon 2, and number 4 you give to that atom. It can be anything, carbon, it can be a heteroatom, it can be no problem. Okay, and you give 4 number that is attached to directly this form. So what will happen? Due to this close, they are closely related as A and B. They are in a very good vicinity, we can say, or we can have they are in a special contact with each other, right? Very uh, particular. It's very for you people. It is very particular. A and B, they are in a very close proximity, we can say. So therefore, this undergo into elimination, 1,4 elimination. They undergo 1,4 elimination. See, 1 and 4. What is the meaning of 1,4 elimination? Means there is a loss of part which is from one carbon or one position, and one from another from fourth position. This is a fourth. This is a Y, and this fourth position. Loss of these two takes place, therefore called as 1,4 elimination. First of all, this undergo into what we say the fragmentation. Definitely, fragment will form. So if you consider this as a for example, let us go for this. Suppose this consider as a uh, heteroatom, and you put a one electron pair. So what is happening is, when do electron impact? First of all, this electron will lose, right? And say this electron loss, and we got like this, right? Suppose we got like this. This is the molecular ion peak, so no need to write now this. We are directly using here molecular ion peak. So this is what carbon atom number 1, 2, 3, 4. Like. So what will happen in the mass spectrometry? In the bond which is between the number 1 labeled atom and this atom, that undergo into uh, homolysis. Fine. Yes, this undergo into homolysis, and this also, which is at this B, this also undergo into homolysis. We can show like this, homolysis. So AB combination takes place. AB will combine, and what is going to form? We can write like this. So benzene will written like this. There is a bond from this carbon to this X. Right? There is a bond formation. This carbon to X. X already has positive negative charge. One more electron is there. So this is a positive negative charge. One extra electron we can write like this here, like this here. This electron which comes from this breakage of this bond. Similarly, at this site we have this Y, right? Y, this bond, and here we have Y. Yes, we have Y. It also having one radical which come from this homolytic fission. See, it is like this Y radical. Now, what is loss? AB loss. We can say minus. We can say minus AB, minus AB. We can say minus AB. Minus AB, fine. Minus AB. So this can be written as, see how this bond rotation takes place, and you can write like this. I think you understand this. You see, like this. So here we can have Y. So you can write Y, and here you can have X, and this radical cation will be there as it is, no problem. Radical cation will be, and this is what the new fragment which appear at a particular ambassador value, that will be calculated from this one. Okay. So this is called as the ortho elimination, which is very common in many compounds. We'll go for example. See, we take direct one specific example. Let us take the benzyl uh, orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol. Okay, fine. So this is what, suppose orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol. So if you number label the atom, so which is going to lose, what is going to lose? So label this first. So this is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3, this oxygen is carbon number 4, and this is carbon number 1. Right? This oxygen which is at 4, this can be written as like this. See, this can be written as like this. Yes or not? Yes. No. So anyone from you, can you tell what is going to lose? Which fragment is going to lose? What part is going to lose? Yes, anyone? No. This is carbon. So we know, you see, you correlate. You correlate this with this. You see, there is a breakage of bond between number 1 and this atom. This bond is going to break. Yes, so this OH is going to lose, and from this side H is going to lose, isn't it? Yes. When you perform the electron impact or mass analysis, so what you will get? You will get like this. See, so there is a lone pair on the oxygen. We know this. There is a lone pair on oxygen, right? Therefore, when you do electron impact, when we do electron impact, so one oxygen, one oxygen will lose electron, that will become radical cation. Yes. No, no breakage. This undergo homolysis. This will break. This bond will break. This bond also break. This bond also break. And write what you are get, whatever you are getting. So we can write here benzene ring. You see. So I will draw a small. So for our understanding, see. So benzene ring like this. There is a what? This CH2 having one dot, right? Yes, CH2. This side O, only oxygen. So we can write CH2, and there is a dot on it, right? Similarly here oxygen, and a dot on that, and there is a one radical cation lone pair like this. Okay, one radical cation lone pair is like this, one own extra lone pair of its own like this. Now see, this will form, now this bond undergo into what? Adjustment. This pi electron break, and this bond form here, and this bond form like this. Ultimately, we can have like this. You see. So this can be written as, you can write like this. We can write, there was this is CH2, and here this is oxygen, but oxygen with a one lone pair and one radical cation pair, right? Yes, this is what, this is the fragment which is formed due to the ortho elimination. So hope you understand this example. Other examples which can show this fragment, we can write like this. See here, you see. So benzyl amino, ortho amino benzyl alcohol, this will also show same similarity. One more example, ortho amino benzyl alcohol. You can go for ortho methyl benzyl alcohol. Okay, there is a loss of H hydrogen here. Similarly, if you write the benzoic acid, if you go for benzoic acid, just make like this. This will also show this that should be OH. We can say salicylic acid. Salicylic acid also shows same fragmentation. Other possibilities are, if you put here NH2, if you put here NH2, this is anthranilic acid or orthoaminobenzoic acid also undergo. If you have a simple methyl, this is a ortho methyl benzoic acid. This will also go under this reaction. Similarly, if you go for another reaction, another this example, so remove this COH group. If we are writing nitro group, if we are writing nitro group, okay, if we are writing nitro group here, that will also show the fragmentation. You see, positive, and this is negative, this is like this. So ortho nitro here amine, ortho nitro amine, ortho amino nitrobenzene, ortho hydroxybenzene. So like this example. And many times, if such ortho is not there present, only this such miss, many reports are there. Few examples we will see. So this is also reported. If instead of benzene, if benzene is not there, and some esters are there, ester like this, OCH3 like this, and here you say suppose CH3. So such compound also, though there is not the ortho, not aromatic compound, but reports are there that this compound may also undergo into ortho elimination or like that. Okay, so this is what about the ortho elimination. These are the few examples which undergo into ortho elimination reaction. Okay, fine. So okay, we will